One of my first jobs was working for Irving Trust Company on Wall Street. And when I worked at that company, I worked in the commercial credit division. I was a credit investigator. And what we used to do is we would put together documents to support the lending officer, loan officer. So we would check the credit for the bank, we would look at our relationship, and we would write a letter for that loan officer and then go out and have them sign it. And one of the things I discovered in that is how different banking relationships are than we realize. Many of you think that a banking relationship means you go to the bank, you have a relationship with them, you try to get something out of them, and you can't get much from them. You can't borrow, you can't, they won't finance certain things for you, they don't want to talk with you because you're very small. And what I found in that process is that it's the complete opposite. That most banks are eager to find business clients. And if you will just position yourself differently, when you go to banks and when you work with banks, the tables will turn. So instead of going to the bank hoping that they will do something for you, the issue is, if I go to the bank, what can you do for me? It's the same strategy I used when I went to Sprint. You contact banks, you nurture those relationships, and you ask them, what can you do for my organization? We're growing, we're in a fast-moving market, there's lots of opportunity, and we're looking to see how we can extend this relationship beyond a deposit relationship. We might want to do some financing of a new venture. We might have employees that we want to service their financial needs. We have partners that we're working with, and we need a more diverse and a broader relationship with the bank. And what will happen in that relationship is that the bank will very often fight for your business. Now, what happens in that scenario is that you will find that irrespective of where you are financially as a company, they will fight to keep you as a customer. They will fight to keep your deposits because they think you will grow, particularly a new bank opening up in a community. They will be so eager to work with you that they will move from not approving a loan to approving a loan because they desperately need these commercial accounts. A lot of competition in the banking market right now. And you should look at your banks more strategically.